All right, the entire crypto market is falling. However, we did not see a huge crash. No, we've seen a retracement, a little bit of correction, which is normal after a big green day like we had yesterday. But our crypto is going to go back down and double bottom. Is Dogecoin going to go down to the low that we had the other day? Is it going to continue to crash? In this video, you must stay tuned because I'm going to be answering accurately what is going to be going on. I'm going to be answering these questions and where we are headed to next. What's up everyone, my name is Miles. I'm an expert in technical analysis, and every day I make videos about Dogecoin and talk about cryptocurrencies, and through my technical analysis we are able to find out where we could possibly go, what is the future of Dogecoin. We have been able to call out with accuracy big plays before they happen, whether it drops, whether it goes up a lot. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you do not miss my time-sensitive videos. Also, in the description below is the link to my Patreon where I offer private financial consulting. I can teach you how to build a portfolio. We do daily trade alerts when to buy and sell cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, Litecoin, and many others. So definitely check out their services in the Patreon. You can also join the 4,000 member active Discord community where there's a bunch of experienced investors. We all talk about Dogecoin and other cryptocurrencies. Definitely check it out. And if you are a Dogecoin holder, you are holding Dogecoin right now, go ahead and click that like button. It supports the channel. And let me know in the comments below, are you still holding Dogecoin? Are you selling and waiting for it to go further down and then buying at that point? Let me know what your current strategy is for Dogecoin. All right, tomorrow I'm going to be giving away $100 for free. All you have to do is like the video, subscribe to the channel, put anything in the comments below, and follow my Instagram. And tomorrow on my Instagram story, I will be announcing the winner. All right, guys, I know a lot of you are down. A lot of you are upset because we are down. Yes, it is not a good feeling for your money to go down, but this is all a part of investing. And remember, you don't want to ever invest what you cannot afford to lose. But getting back to the point, yes, we are in a green day, but we are at the bottom. Yes, we are at the bottom right here. Look, if you notice, the bottoms actually can continue to get higher and higher, just like I call out in my videos. I believe this was the bottom, and now we're going to continue to head straight up. Taking a note, whenever we are in an uptrend, it's got to go up and down and up and down. Look, so we go up and then down, up and down. Now it is our turn to go up. Remember, nothing can go straight up. We all wish it would go straight up and go to $50, but that is not realistic. That is not how anything works when it comes to housing, when it comes to gold, when it comes to the stock market, especially cryptocurrencies. Nothing can go straight up. And when things go up really, really high for a very long period of time, there's going to be a correction period, a cool off period, because people are taking their profits. And right now the crypto market is falling. It is going down. It went down. We're recovering now, but it is falling because of market manipulation. Big money, they want you to sell your cryptocurrencies so that they can take it from you for very cheap. And this is how big money continues to have big money and make more big money, because they take from the weak, just like it comes from anything in life, whether it's sports or as kids, there's bullies, people taking from the weak, people taking lunch money. That type of situation is still played out in almost everything in life. You can even see that in the animal kingdom, animals, and they will pick on the weaker link. That's why you see when you watch safari videos of Africa, you see those deers or those cantaloupes, whenever they're by themselves, the little guys, they get pounced upon by groups of ravenous wolves or whatever animals who are stronger than them. They overtake them and they take their food. They take their cryptocurrencies. So the point of the matter is that us retail investors, we are the weaker link here because we only have thousands. We might have millions, but they have billions. They have hundreds of billions, and they can move markets. They can sell and cause the market to go down 20%. People with a lot of money, some of these big whales in Dogecoin, they can sell. They can sell huge positions and cause the market to go down 10%. And they can also make coordinated attacks. They can make coordinated attacks together with other whales. The other whales gather themselves together, and then they cause panic in the market, which is happening. All of this selling, all of this panic is happening because of retail investors. The big money, most of the big money, they're not selling all of their cryptocurrencies. They sell only a portion to make it go down, and then they buy these dips. They are buying right now. They are buying Bitcoin, they are buying Ethereum, they're buying Dogecoin, they're buying these cryptocurrencies because they are so cheap, and they know the true value of these cryptocurrencies and where they will be in the future. So to make a long story short, don't be upset. Just put your phone down maybe for a couple of days. The market will recover. We will go back. We will be at all-time highs. You will be looking a couple of months later and looking back on this day and be like, man, I wish I would have bought Dogecoin. I wish I would have bought Polkadot. I wish I would have bought Ethereum when it was at these levels, because I could have tripled, I could have quadrupled my money. And now you see it. Now you see it. When you get to those points, you will, as an experienced investor, you will see that with more experience. You will see that these downtimes are depressing. They are sad, but 2 months later, 2 months goes by, and you look back at that moment, you're like, wow, if I would have bought the dip and listened to Miles through his Patreon alerts, I would actually be sitting 2 or 3 times what I currently am now. So my strategy is always to buy the dips and not the rips. You buy when it drops, but there's sometimes that there's opportunities that when things are going up, even at the tops, it can be a good time to buy. But most of the time you will always win when you buy the bottoms, when you have cash to buy these bottoms. And these are the times that we wait for as experienced investors. We try to wait for these super rock bottom cheap prices, because when it goes up just a little bit, you can double your money. So right now there's a lot of fear in the market. Whenever there's a lot of fear in the market, there's a lot of selling. There's not a lot of people buying. Most people are scared because they're believing this fake news. They're thinking that it's going to go down to zero. And most of these retail investors have just come into the market, not understanding that markets go down, not understanding that there is market manipulation. So we can actually take a look at the trading volume for Dogecoin. It is down 50%, and that continues to lower, which is good, because eventually we are going to bottom out. That fear is going to bottom out. We are going to bottom out, maybe not go down any further, but we are going to stop going down. We are going to get a very strong bounce here very soon, and I think it will start to happen around the time of next Friday. We could be in a week of consolidation where there's ups and then there's downs, but we're more so trading sideways, still continuing to slowly head up until next Friday, which I believe we will have probably 3 to 4, maybe 5 days of continuance of green days from that period. And look at what Elon Musk said. You guys may have read his tweet, but he says that he hasn't and won't sell any Dogecoin. Now look at this. A mega whale buys 420 Doge on the news. What does that show you? Does that show you that these whales are trying to say a message to continue to hold and not panic, like Elon Musk's tweet, that picture that he sent the other day? Look, here is the tweet that Elon Musk said, I believe it was yesterday. And one guy was like, to clarify, I don't think Elon would ever sell any of his Doge holdings. He's the ultimate holder. And he's like, yeah, and I haven't, and I won't sell any Doge. He is not holding, he's not selling Dogecoin. He has diamond hands with Dogecoin. And if somebody is holding and not selling, that means that they believe in the project. And somebody who is as gifted, who's as smart and intelligent as Elon Musk, especially when it comes to cryptocurrencies business, he's one of the richest men in the world. He's not selling any Doge, so he's big money. And he is letting us know a secret message that Dogecoin will be going up and to continue to hold. Remember, we have the Coinbase listing, and now about 5 weeks, 5, maybe 6, 7 weeks from now. And when this happens, Dogecoin will rocket. There will be so much hype in the market at that point. I tell you, Doge will probably be double or triple what it is right now. There will be so much hype continuing to build up prior to that event. It'll be very similar to 420. It'll be very similar to Saturday Night Live. So get ready, because these prices for Dogecoin are extremely cheap. We must look, whenever investing, you want to look into the long term. You want to see what will Dogecoin be worth in 1 year, what will Dogecoin be worth in 3 years, and have some long-term holdings, because yes, there might be volatility here and there. We've only had volatility for a few days and we were pumping and breaking all-time highs. But now look, a couple of bad days, a couple of red days, everyone is panicking, selling. But we've had months, we've had continuous growth. There's gonna be a period of time, forgive it a couple of days, that we go down, maybe a week, maybe 2 weeks, that we kind of just chill and go sideways. But in the end, in a month from now, 2 months from now, 3 months from now, 2 or 3 years from now, we are gonna be so much higher than where we are now. So whatever it comes to investing, look towards the long term. And also check out the Webull if you want an awesome platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies and stocks. Check out my Webull link in the description below. If you sign up and deposit $100 using my link, they will give you 2 free stocks worth up to $2,200, which you can immediately sell, buy Dogecoin, Ethereum with, or any stocks, or just send it back to your bank account. I highly recommend it. All right, ladies and gentlemen, getting back to the chart, we are seeing a strong recovery here. Look, the lows keep getting higher. Look, here's the low, like I just showed you. Here's the low, here's the low. So any minute, we can probably bounce up and start to create a new high, because we do have that level of resistance that I showed you guys that we must break. That level of resistance will be 43 cents. If we do break 43 cents, we will be headed up and we will be pumping. And remember, Elon Musk could send another tweet getting at this area. This is this level of support. This is a very strong level of support that we have not, and our current area is a very strong level of support around 34.5 cents. A very strong level of support area. We could break down further. Yes, that is a possibility. It is not really looking like it, but if we do break further, we will probably go to around 29 to 30 cents. And we will probably, if we do come to that level, we will probably get a bounce. We could also break down even further, which I don't believe is very possible, but it is possible. Anything is possible. I just don't think it's very plausible. So if we do break down, we could come to test near 21 cents. 21 to 24 cents would be a very strong level of support, a very strong wall here. And if we do here, we could have a potential double bottom situation where we would bounce here and move up very quickly. If you would buy this dip at 21 cents, I assure you that if Dogecoin in the crypto market does recover at that point, if that is a scenario, you will see a massive bounce, and that's the same bounce we saw here, which was a gain of 95% in a matter of 2 or 3 hours. When Dogecoin hit 21 cents, it bounced all the way up to 43 cents in just a matter of 2 hours. And remember when Dogecoin hit 14 cents, after hitting 14 cents, we went straight to 73 cents. So just keep that in mind. We can easily recover and go back to 73 cents. We can easily recover with good news, a bunch of good catalysts, break past $1. So guys, I really appreciate you. Stay encouraged. Remember, it is not over with for cryptocurrencies. This is just the beginning. This is all a part of it. If you want to chat with me, join the Patreon, check out the Discord, like the video, subscribe to the channel, share this video with some of your friends and family, and I will see you guys in the next video.